Welcome to datacloudies. In this demo, we're gonna see how to deploy the NumPy Python application to Google App Engine with a flexible environment. Let's get started. Connect to a project. Assign the project ID. Create a project directory and generate the application code. Let us use the sample app code downloaded from GCP GitHub. I have cloned this directory already. The main script contains a couple of lines that simply multiply the two-dimensional array. The app YAML file contains the gun-icon and runtime parameter values. Requirement.txt file contains the Flask, gun-icon, and NumPy packages, which need to be installed. Let us install the dependencies. Create a virtual environment to run this application. Test the deployment locally. Excellent, it is giving the multiplied result. Let us deploy it to the App Engine. Execute the app deploy command. This might take a couple of minutes to provision the deployment. Background, it will create the Docker container, import the image, upload the application code from the storage engine. Well, it is deployed. As you can verify the application name, image, source code taken from storage engine, and other Docker configuration parameters. Let us verify the output now. Browse the app domain. Well, it is the same output. We can also schedule the job to be run at a certain interval. Here is the sample cron.yaml file which schedules the job every day continuously. Run the app deploy command with the cron file. Cron tab is updated. Let us confirm the statuses in the web console. Cron job scheduled as per the file, and we have deployed the app in the flexible environment. That is it. Please check out the detailed explanation at the datacloudies blog given at the below description. Thanks for watching it.